Hello dear viewers, how are you? Hope your everyone is well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to type numbering serial number in Microsoft Excel full automatically. If you look at the screen, here I have to our Microsoft Excel a worksheet and you can see a table. If I type this name cell, any name like Tanvir, like Messi, you can see our serial number, these big columns coming to automatically. How can do it in Microsoft Excel? When type your nearest cell, any value, and you want to your left cells serial number coming automatically. Okay, in this purpose, delete our full data value. Now, where you type it? I type it this serial number, this cell, change the align. Okay. Now type equal to sign, type if function. You can see our if functions syntax here, logical test. If logical test is true, what I want. If logical test false, what I want. Okay, first of all, our type our logical test. Our logical test is if this name cell equal to it is empty. Microsoft Excel's empty means double quotation 2 times. Our logical test, if this name cell is empty, then comma, this condition is true. If this condition is true, whatever you want, it will be empty. So type double quotation 2 times. Okay. Then this condition, if this condition is not empty, for this case, this function's argument part is value is false. So our main point is here. When you type any name, anything in name cell, our serial number comes automatically. In this purpose called counter function. Why call counter function? Because counter work for numerical value and alphabet letter. So in this case, we are called to counter function. Then counter this name first cell reference. Our first cell reference name is C3. Okay, names first cell C3. Then type clone again C3, and our this counter function, this C3 first reference, select the first reference and press the keyboard F4 button. F4 button, that means our this cell, these columns and row were locked. That means absolute. You can type manually $ before columns and rows. Otherwise, if you use Windows computer, then otherwise you can type your keyboard FN button with F4 button. Okay, holding the FN button and type F4 button. Now finish the function, bracket close 2 times and hit the enter button. Now fill handle it down. Okay, now type any name, Messi, Neymar, okay, Ronaldo. You can see our serial number coming to automatically. So how was the video? If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.